As Melbourne returns to life after lockdown, the city slowly opening, a new COVID case is recorded. It's created concerns of undetected infections in the community. The source is not yet discovered, but it's likely linked to the Kappa strain.
There are some very close adjacencies in terms of where he lives and where some other cases live, and there are some early indications of some overlap in social places. So more work to be done, and let's be very clear. He's not a primary close contact, so he is a new case, and at this time it's a mystery case.
The possibility of the virus still circulating in the community means Victoria's COVID commander is anxious testing numbers are dropping.
There may well be more branches out there from this outbreak. Although we're convinced we have the trunk, we understand where it's come from, we understand the majority of the branches that we can see at the moment, that there may still be more branches, small outruns out there. 20,000
vaccines were administered and 15,000 came forward for testing. But the commander says overcoming community transmission requires at least 20,000 tests to be conducted daily. Health authorities are concerned about the COVID mystery cluster from Melbourne's north, 4 family members of the same household contracting the virus, prompting more exposure sites in the area. The wintry weather is possibly contributing.
But as we have learnt over the course of this past 18 months of pandemic, we need to respond to the systems of coronavirus, however mild, as soon as we detect them.
If you've got a colleague who's got a sniffles or is complaining of a sore throat, make sure they get tested and that they're isolating and staying at home.
The city is still under restrictions, movements confined to 25 kilometres from home. Restaurants, bars, cafes and retail are slowly reopening with density limits. The easing of restrictions also leaving some businesses in limbo. Gyms remain shut, hospitality is operating at capped capacity, and there's no clear path out for the events and entertainment industry.
We know that this is having a big impact on so many parts of our cultural sector, our small businesses, our tourism operators.
Melissa Christidis, Sky News.